Ideate Explorer contains a built-in filter called Ideate Audit. By selecting this filter, the results tree will show you categories that you should pay close attention to review. Excessive numbers of detail lines can be an indication of an exploded AutoCAD import, in particular, exploded AutoCAD details. Model lines are visible in the 3D views, and in general, the use of model lines should be limited. Ideate Explorer enables us to identify an excessive use of model or detail lines, which can cause model issues like bloated file size, visibility, or plotting issues. When auditing your model's line elements, look closely at the usage and quantity of both detail and model lines, but also take the time to scan for valid naming conventions. Non-standard names can be selected with Ideate Explorer and then reassigned to a company standard. For more information on all of our Revit-based applications, including trial downloads, software updates, product help, and blog posts, be sure to visit our website at www.ideatesoftware.com. Additionally, be sure to follow us on all of our social media channels as we continue to publish helpful information on all of our products. From the entire Ideate software team, thank you so much for reviewing this video.